Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're going to look at the upcoming for November STL file. Just an over review. No parts because it is Monday, and tomorrow when this video will be out, it will be Tuesday the 31st. I hope everyone have a great Halloween and enjoy getting some candy with your kids or stealing candy from your kids. Up to you. Not really big on Halloween or holidays if you guys new to this channel. There's a lot of stories about that later on in the past, but I'm not. My wife is, but I'm not really big in holidays. If you do like it, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down the link below. And let's get started. So we're putting everyone, doing some more Lord of the Rings stuff, the Black Gate for it. And we have the Church Rice. This is the one for, I think, this month or next month. I think this is for this month for October for people that skipped it. For it, this is November preview right here. I don't like that hippo miniature, but a lot of Dragonborn. We're getting a lot of Dragonborns and dragons for it for these things. But oh well, we got an elf. Hippo one. I forgot the GIF. The GIF for it. Let's see here. That's Flesh of God. What does my guy have? A skeleton, voodoo skeleton dude. Model Dryad Sorcerer. November preview for Dragon Tapper. Looks fine. See here, free huge miniature. Cool. This is the Kickstarter they're doing for Mammoth. I don't really need it for it. Can we guess what this is? Pioneer Slaanesh Army, I'm guessing. We'll see. We'll see next week. It's like ugly looking King Arthur, an army and everything else. This is Titan Forge. Oh, that's Lost Kingdom. That was for this month. The Slaanesh Army. RN Studio. You got Barrett on the truck. It can be clay to a gold golem in Dragon Quest. Forgot what the hell this is from. Do not know what these two are from. Ooh. Majin Buu, Frank, Usag, one from Dragon Slayer, two of them from Dragon Slayer. And Transformers, Optimus Prime, Bumblebee. Don't know what these two were for. Tribes. For that? I don't know. Champion tier. I don't pay extra money for all those. Oh. So we finally got the rest of the Puppet War. Your assault team and your freaking, I forgot they're called. Oh, Leapers, I believe they're called. It's cool. Yeah, I don't have to buy a whole bunch. Just print it. I gotta print more of these. Working on those right now, and they're really a pain in the ass to work on. To tell you the truth, at least this would be a lot chunkier than the Games Workshop ones. Like freaking thin, especially the orcs. One page. I can finally get some big ass tanks. That'd be kind of cool. Beastmen. Vampiric Undead. Then the Dwarf Guild. And the Dwarf is gonna be. It's gonna do a lot of freaking damage. Drunken Dwarf. Oh, we got Hobbits. We don't really have much Hobbits. It's for November preview. We should actually have them in the thing. Scarecrow Pumpkin. Bonus. And come in. November preview. We got Mario. McChop. McChamp. Umbreon, Espeon. Forgot this one. Bowser. Mellow. Someone thing for Digimon Princess. These all things for Digimon. I don't remember. Yu-Gi-Oh. Don't know what the hell that is. I know that's Yu-Gi-Oh right over here. Your welcome pack. Welcome pack stage 2. For it. Next month's figure. Got this one as well. It's coming out this month. We got Spawn. Cyberpunk Girl. Get the Drowned Woman as well. Got a couple of good stuff. This is Berserk. We are actually going to be looking over these starting next year. They're starting to have files out now. Let's see here. Agumon. Asgard Rising. Might have to start getting Asgard Rising again. I'm getting pretty good stuff now. A lot of stuff that was just crap. They're doing Dark Elves this time. Yeah. Welcome back to doing the thing for it. I might do Star Wars SW3D. I did not like the new Ahsoka, to tell you the truth. I think people like it, but I really didn't care for it. Karlach for it. This is going to be November release. I would like to print that. Most pain in the ass to kill. Cross promo. And the sculpt. Station Forge. Terrain pieces for Warhammer. The Surreal Factory. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff, just letting you guys know. I do look through a lot of these things. That actually looks pretty damn cool. I might put that up for next. The Rat King. That is freaking gnarly. Look at all that rat just freaking coming out of that thing. This is going to be for next month. For White Wolf Tavern. So it looks like we have Native Americans and Druids and stuff. Looks like we're getting Native American next month. Nutshell Altier. I have no idea which one that is. Vampires. What's Time Machine is for this month. Riding on Rage. Another terrain pieces. Twin Goddess. I think this is for next month. Necromancer Knight. Goblin Necromancer Knight. That's actually pretty good. Necromancers. Hey. Get more of these things. This is for Star Wars camp. Star Wars game if you guys are doing that. For it. Well, I think that will be it. Surprise coming up for November. Well, anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. I hope you guys do enjoy. Check out the link down below. So we'll do actual real one of STL File 1 for November on November the 3rd. No, November the 2nd we'll be doing it. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great Halloween. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.